This record and the following records will help you to learn this important part of JP1 operation, interpreting the sounds you hear. In the following example, you'll hear an old American destroyer as heard on JP1. The filter is set in the flat position. The destroyer is traveling at 10 knots at a range of 2,000 yards. And here is the sound of an American light cruiser on flat filter. Speed 12 knots, range 1,000 yards. The battleship South Dakota at close range and a speed of 8 knots. Here, for example, is a tanker at 500 yards.
In the following example, you will hear sounds from a surf landing boat, a cruiser, a destroyer, a battleship, a freighter, and a destroyer escort. First, a surf landing boat. Next, the cruiser USS San Juan. The destroyer USS Nicholson. The battleship South Dakota. The freighter Bethor. In the final example, you will hear the destroyer escort number 794 as recorded over the buoy equipment. The DE is going away from the buoy at a range of about 2,000 yards.
PT boat, with its powerful engines and high-speed gears, produces an easily recognized whine. The electric driving machinery of a submarine has a smooth hum. Here is a submerged American sub at a range of 500 yards. You'll hear the prop beat as well as the hum of the machinery. When running on the surface, a submarine usually operates on its diesel engines, which produce a roaring sound. Here's a submarine at close range charging its batteries. The high-speed motors of a torpedo produce a sound similar to that of a PT boat. Here is an American Mark 14 turbine torpedo at a speed of 45 knots. And here is a German air torpedo at a speed of 38 knots. Sometimes it's easy to differentiate between a torpedo and a PT boat. In the following example, you will hear first an American Mark 14 torpedo and then a PT boat.